Monday, March 20th, 5:29 a.m. Nice wet day, so I got this wet cover come with this backpack, which is nice. You can see the light through it. Gotta take some laundry back today. So I've got one. Turn this light on, you can see the reflective tape back here. With the red light. Pannier covered. Man, I'm ready for the rain, but come on, man. I only sprayed with well water in the morning. Mmm, tasty. Alright, this is the first hill of the day. I think we are going to go into first gear. In the front. Oh. Oh, that's what this was meant for. I had 3 pairs of tactical pants, which are heavy as shit, and 3 light t-shirts with it. But the rack, the metal basket, the bag, this bike, all very heavy. All very heavy. I guarantee I'm over 30 pounds on what's below me. So I don't mind taking the granny ring right up this hill today, nor the next 2. I love how these tires just the water right out of the way. I mean, yeah, I might get it all on me, but it means I have traction. Take it. Woo, that's moist. He got over, but it still got some spray to it. Woohoo! I like people that look to the right until they get to the stop sign. Do I know they're even going to stop? Oh my goodness gracious, fella. Wake up. Just wake up this morning. Oh, I feel much safer out here. Uh-oh, until I say that. Get off the road, go back to bed. You don't deserve to be out in the world of people that are dead. Woo! I'm gonna make a pass when we get in the road, yeah? There we go. Have a good morning. I guess he's deaf and mute because he's not able to communicate with anybody. Body language, speech, none of that. You know, damn lights on his bike. What an idiot. Just get the hell out of my way. I can't put up with your ignorance this morning. I got shit to do. People. He's running his dogs up and down using the car. Are you serious, bro? Morning, morning. How you doing?
Hey, man.
Oh, wet out today.
Yeah. It's always a good day for the bike, bud.
Yeah, but I had to bring all this stuff back, so here we are. Have a good one.